So I just bought a set of Cobra Gauges for my 2003 Mustang GT, but will it work? First, I'm gonna need some coffee. Let's go to the garage. Alright, so I was gonna do a quick little walk around. The steering wheel and the gauges are the last two parts that are not Cobra related. But all of that is about to change. Nice. So when you compare the backs of them, they are almost identical. Looks like the GT one has a few more lights than the Cobra one. But the connections are the same. And I believe the pinouts are all the same as well. Boom! Hell yeah! So the reason that the boost gauge was not working, I forgot to tie in a boost line here. Clearly I forgot to hook up the boost gauge, so I went out and bought a 5/32 vacuum line, and I had one of these laying around. It's just a Y connector. You can get these at any parts store too. So, all right, we got this little vacuum hose connector right there. Take that off. Boom. We're gonna tee into that. Maybe. There we go. Alright. So we need this to go into there. Now I gotta get this in the car. There's a rubber grommet right here that I was able to just bypass because I've ran a bunch of other wires and hoses in there through that spot already. Alright, I'll just pull it the rest of the way through from the inside. The hose. Voila! I'll pull it the rest of the way through. Okay. I just gotta find a nice route. We're just going to cut off some of the access and make a little easy on and off. this is the nipple for the boost gauge. Directly underneath the connector. All right. And she's in. Boost gauge is finally working. It's not working completely right, but that's because it's got some belt slip, which I'm okay with. So I've got new goodies